rutas carrer.
Aha. We're up in an amazing viewpoint now, Senor.
Vale. Uy, perdona, ¿eh?
No, no problem. Oh, look at that view. Can you see it? Can you hold for Papa? Don't drop it. Little cameraman. Good boy. Here you go, enjoying the view. So yeah. Yeah, can you see it? Where's maybe Hugo sees it.
No, Papa.
Hola.
Como si quieres ir a la ciudad.
Bah. It's nice. Hugo, you've not even tried it. Tortilla. Hugo, eat it. Or I won't play any pingu. Just one. No pingu and no trains if you don't have this. And tell me you don't like that. Do you like it? Yeah. Yeah, you like the view? What a view of the city, Hugo. Can you let go? Can you let go? Where are you going? Yeah, this way. Wow. Do you want to hold it here? Careful. Yeah. You go, we need the pram. He's in a huff, because telling him we got to go home. See? Ready? Humbai! Keep hold of it.
No, no.
No, what? No, keep hold of it, Hugo. You have to, please.
This one, no.
And now we just got to keep going down. Solar shine. Solar. Solar is the sun. Beautiful. Are you bored now, Hugo? Huh? You've gone all quiet. He goes quiet, he's bored. So he just wants back home, huh? Are you hungry? Maybe he's just enjoying. That's a good view.